Okay, today in class you have learned last class about variables. You learned about getting user input, talking back and forth to the user. Whoever's sitting at the keyboard can kind of carry on a conversation with your computer. So you know enough to be able to make a quiz game. So today in class you're going to put all your skills to work and create a quiz game. Let me show you kind of an example. Okay, so you're going to make a quiz about whatever it is you are knowledgeable about. So you're going to write your own questions, make sure you know the answers to those questions. It doesn't have to include the cat, it doesn't have to be about state capitals. What it does have to do is when you run it, it's going to ask you some questions, right? So it will then inform the user yes or no. Ooh. And it will also keep score. I got one right. Capital of Tennessee, I'm going to say Frankfurt, which is not correct. It'll tell me it's not right. I still have a score of 1. I got another one right. Now I have a score of 2. It gives me that score of 2. Ooh, 2 out of 3 is 66%. So here's what I'm going to say. This ticking timer over here and this percent score, these are both kind of bonus. If you're feeling extra awesome, you can tackle those. You definitely need to have your score going on, and you need to have your questions. So what you're looking for is you need to have at least 3 questions. You can do more than 3 questions, but these are questions that you are going to write. That's up to you. So I don't know what your quiz is about. Make sure it's school appropriate. You definitely need to keep score. And spoiler alert, you're going to use a variable to do that, and you're great with variables. You're going to inform the user whether they are right or wrong in each question. So you're going to be asking a question, getting input like you did in your last program, last class, which you could go take a look at if you need to. And then you're going to tell them if they were right or wrong. Being extra awesome. Of course, you know your theme, the looks of it, the sounds, that's always you being extra awesome. If you're feeling super amazing, you can do a ticking timer. And you can also report a percent score, like do a little math. So that's the overview of what you're going to do today. In the next video, I'm going to give you a few tips. I'm not going to build this with you. I'm going to set you loose, and you're going to use your skills to build it. But in the next video, I'm going to give you a few tips to get you going. So it's going to be amazing.